Greetings, savvy wealth seekers. Buckle up for a roller coaster ride through the intriguing realm of passive income. In this article, we're not just handing out financial advice. We're spicing it up with humor, quirky anecdotes, and a sprinkle of magic. Get ready to learn and laugh your way to prosperity. Meet your passive income superheroes. Prepare to be introduced to the Avengers of Wealth, Dividend Dynamo, Real Estate Riddler, and the YouTube Maverick. These financial superheroes are here to rescue you from the clutches of financial monotony. Unmasking passive income, it's not a boring lecture. Time to debunk the myth that passive income discussions are as thrilling as watching paint dry. We're turning boring into soaring as we unveil the entertaining side of creating wealth while you sip your coffee, or tea if you're fancy. Diversification, disco, mixing it up like a financial DJ. Imagine diversification as a dance floor, and your assets are grooving to different beats. From stocks doing the cha-cha to real estate doing the moonwalk, learn how to make your money dance to the sweet tunes of financial diversity. Investing 101, because who said money can't be fun? Let's take a crash course in investing, not the snooze fest kind. We're talking about making money moves that even your grandma would approve of. Spoiler alert, you don't need a monocle or a top hat. Making bank online, turning your laptop into a cash cow. Picture this, your laptop is not just for binge-watching cat videos, it's your ticket to online riches. From affiliate marketing to starting a YouTube channel, discover how the internet can turn your daily scroll into a gold mine. Real estate roulette, where every spin wins. Roll the dice in the real estate game. Whether you're a property mogul or just dreaming of a quaint Airbnb, we've got the lowdown on turning bricks and mortar into stacks of cash. Spoiler, no hard hats required. Dividends, the gift that keeps on giving. No wrapping paper needed. Join us in the land of dividends where money showers down like confetti at a New Year's Eve party. Learn how to pick the right stocks and turn your investment into a financial fiesta. YouTube stardom, filming your way to fortune. Lights, camera, passive income, peek behind the curtain of YouTube success. We spill the beans on how to create content, build an audience, and make money from your own 8-minute masterpiece. The Great Financial Balancing Act, juggling money and life. Discover the art of balancing your passive income pursuits with the rest of your life. It's like a circus act minus the scary clowns. Learn to juggle without dropping the financial balls. Ninja moves, overcoming passive income challenges. Ever faced challenges in your money-making journey? Fear not, young Padawan. We unleash our ninja wisdom on overcoming market turbulence, unexpected surprises, and turning setbacks into comebacks. Mythbusters, shattering passive income myths like a pro. Forget what you heard. Passive income isn't just for the elite or the lucky few. We're busting myths faster than a superhero in spandex, proving that anyone can tap into the magic of financial freedom. Behind the scenes, making the YouTube magic happen. Join us behind the curtain as we spill the beans on creating a YouTube video on passive income. Spoiler alert, it involves more coffee than you'd think and maybe a dance party or two. FAQs about passive income. How fast can I become a millionaire with passive income? While we can't promise overnight success, with dedication and a dash of luck, you might be sipping cocktails on your private island sooner than you think. Are there secret societies controlling passive income? No secret handshakes here. Passive income is accessible to everyone. All you need is a willingness to learn and a sense of humor. Can I really make money in my pajamas with online ventures? Absolutely, pajamas, fuzzy socks, or even a superhero cape. The choice is yours. Online ventures don't discriminate against fashion choices. Is real estate a passive income superhero or just wearing a cape for show? Real estate is a superhero in its own right. It might not wear a cape, but it can certainly swoop in and save your financial day with the right strategy. How do I manage passive income without becoming a workaholic? Think of passive income as your sidekick, not your boss. With smart planning and a bit of automation, you can enjoy the benefits without burning out. Will the taxman come knocking on my passive income door? Taxes are like the sidekick to your superhero income. Be prepared, understand your obligations, and consult with a tax professional if needed. Your adventure begins here. As we wrap up this whirlwind tour of passive income, remember, financial success doesn't have to be a snooze fest. Armed with knowledge, humor, and a touch of magic, embark on your journey to prosperity. Now go forth and conquer those financial dragons. Thank you so much for watching this video. We appreciate your continued support and look forward to serving you with more exciting videos in the future. We hope it has been helpful in understanding the world of passive income. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, and comment below and turn on your notifications so you never miss a video from Passive Income Journey 777.